as I said, we are going to look at time frames and what time frame means. I will start with the daily time frame. Okay, we're starting with the daily time frame will enable you understand other time frames. So the daily time frame, you click there, the chart shifts to the daily. We are on the live market. So when we talk about live daily time frame, we mean that you see, let me object list, let me delete this go direct. What I mean when I say daily time frame, this candle was formed in a day, so this is 1 day. We shall read more about candle. Now I want only to check the time frames, and here is the time frame. Here is where we have time frames on MT4. This is an MT4 platform, so these are time frames, they are here. So this is daily, means that the candle was formed in a day, this candle. Now, okay, just to clarify this, we have this one. So the day opened at this point, it went up a little bit, then it went down. The day ended at this point. Okay, so if we use the crossbar and check this, this is around midnight 00 is again midnight. Okay, yes, so this is midnight. That is the time. Okay, so the market opened at this point, it went down up to this point. That is the daily time frame. So one candlestick equals a day. For instance, if we come here, the market opened at this point, then closed here, started forming at this point. So the body of the candle, that is what shows the market, the movement that that market has made in that day. So we check the body of the candle. We have also the wick. This part is the wick or the and the tail. So we shall talk about the body or the candlestick, the Japanese candlesticks. We will be able to know what happens, especially in these candlesticks, or what forms the candlesticks, the parts of candlesticks, and how we can trade using candlesticks. Okay, so when we move to form 4 hours, 84, this 84 here, this means 4 hours. Sorry, 84 means 4 hours. So this candle was formed in 4 hours. This also was formed in 4 hours. This one was formed in 4 hours. So one candle equals 4 hours. Okay, so the moment the candle started formed here, market played at this point. By the time 4 hours they are ending, so the market was there. So what you should know is that when you trade candlesticks, you are trading hours. You are not trading the movement of the market. Okay, you always count. You should see exactly what has the market behaved within those hours. You can see here there were small candlesticks. Don't think that these ones, so they were formed within a shorter time. This one is also 4 hours. This again, this is 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is 4 hours. Even the donchi is 4 hours. This one is 4 hours. Same to the big one. This one. Same to this one. 4 hours. Whether small or big, whether it has a small body, this one is what we call the gap. Market closed at this point, but it dropped. The candle started forming at this point, so there was a gap here. Okay, there was a gap. Then the body, it went up, it went down up to here, then it closed at this point. Okay, so that is the candlesticks, how they are formed. When you go to hourly chart, that's why you are seeing that the candles are different. If you check the hourly and the 4 hours, the candles are different. That is the movement, the patterns, or the scale. Let me call it scale. You see? So let me zoom. So in hours, it is still the same thing. It is still the same thing. This candle is 1 hour. This other one is 1 hour. This one is 1 hour. So even the small one here, this one was formed within 1 hour. This one also 1 hour. The big one was also formed within 1 hour. So the candlestick here means 1 hour. We train Forex, but we forget to train the beginners. You will hear someone trading already live account who does not know how the candlesticks are formed, and you are trading live account. No, that should not be the case. You should be knowing that when you go to time frames, they know how to use time frames, but they do not know the meaning of time frames. So time frames means that you are increasing the candlesticks or decreasing. For instance, when we check on 4 hours candlestick here is formed by 4 candlesticks. So that is the 4 hours from this candlestick to this. Daily, that means that when we are on hourly is 24 candlestick. So if we can count from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. So from here up to there, this is equivalent to day 1, day 1 candlestick. Okay, that is day 1. 24 candlesticks. Here now is where we have candle. Now if we go to daily time frame, this thing that we have drawn like this is this candlestick. This one. Only this candlestick. You get it? Is equivalent to. We can mark it. Let me show you what to do. Let me not use this. Let me use the insert. Then I can use the shapes. Let me use the triangle. I mark this one. Then I go to to hourly. You see? That was one candlestick, but you can see we have marked how many. There were 2. Were they 2? Yeah, there were 2 candlesticks because of that. So we have marked. When you come to daily, it's a very huge, many candlestick, like 48, because they are 2 days. Okay, we go to, let me delete these objects. Delete that. When we go to that minute, means that one candlestick is formed within 1 1 minute. Okay, so this one now, if I zoom, this is 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, not 1 minute, that minute, that minute, that minute, that minute. So these candlesticks here, like this one is 1 minute, is that minute, another one that minute, that minute. So again, the same case applies to 15 minutes. So one candle here is formed by 15 minutes. Next video, I will show you parts of the candlesticks. I will show you, we call them Japanese candlesticks. Very important, but not as necessary as that, but as a forex trader, it's good to understand that. Okay, what is remaining? This one 15 minutes, this candle is 15, this is 15 minutes, 15 minutes. So 1 hour, is formed by 4 candlesticks. In that minute, hour is formed by 2 candlesticks. 5 minutes means that 1 hour is formed by something like 12 candlesticks. 1 minute, 1 hour is formed by 60 candlesticks. So this is 1 minute. If you can check that within 1 minute this one will be formed. Let us see. Let us see whether 1 minute it will move to the next candlestick. Okay. Form. This minute is long. It's very long. This minute is long. Let us see. Yes, the minute is over. Now it is forming the second one. So this one was formed within 1 minute. Okay, thank you. Let us move directly to the types of candlesticks, the Japanese candlesticks. Let us check on that. Okay.